Good morning, students. Today we start learn topic that is mechanism of respiration. Mechanism means how it the processing going on, कैसे होता है. So it consists of four ways. That is your breathing, internal respirations, external respirations, and cellular respirations. Well, respiration is a biological process. So there is an exchange of gases, of exchange of O2, oxygen, in atmosphere and in between the lungs. First of all, breathing. Breathing, it is a physical process by which the gases exchange takes place in atmosphere means ATM, atmosphere and lungs. Get it? So it involves several, what can I say, organisms or organs. The organs are your thoracic cage, ribs, sternum and intercostal muscle. Muscles. And in consists two ways. One is your inspirations, another is your expressions. Let us start. So let me clear you in a simple manner. Respiration means, in simple manner, whatever the book is given, I am telling you after some time. Inspiration means intake of oxygen. Intake of oxygen. Oxygen को अंदर लेना. And expiration means outtake of carbon dioxide. ये actually this is wrong. This is intake and this is outtake. Intake means inspiration means oxygen को अंदर लेना. Expiration means oxygen को carbon dioxide को बाहर छोड़ना. Now we see what is doing your books. But during respirations, the atmospheric air is taken into the lung. Okay, and it occurs due to the gradient pressure between the atmosphere and lungs. So when the air is taken by us into the lungs, so there is the diaphragm get flat. The diaphragm get flat, so it moves downward. So due to its move downward, the other muscles are intercostal muscles are contract. So if they are contract, the ribs and the thoracic cage become expanded. Thoracic volume become expanded. अब जैसे देखते हो, if you take, अगर हम ऑक्सीजन अंदर ले रहे हैं, तो जैसे हम ऑक्सीजन अंदर ले रहे हैं, चेस्ट कैविटी become expand. हमारी चेस्ट बड़े रहती है because it get air, oxygen inside it. तो जैसे हम air inside लेते हैं, चेस्ट कैविटी हमारी फुल जाती है, expand हो जाती है. When you breathe it, so it will again regain in your own posture. Simple. So this leads to an increase in the thoracic volume, increase the ribs, increase the thoracic cage, and there is an increase the intercostal muscle. They are contracted. Get it? So this all process is included in inspirations. Now expirations. So during expirations, whatever the air we take inside the thoracic cage, so now it's getting pressure on the ribs, so it get exhale out, वो बाहर निकलते, so that the thorax get relaxes. So the thorax get relaxed, so the diaphragm, whatever diaphragm which are move downwards, it again convert. जो diaphragm पहले ऐसे लो हो गया था, अब actual shape of your the diaphragm is a dome shape. Okay, so when it is like that, when expression, so during expansion, he again comes in one position as a dome shape. Get it? So the thoracic volume again regain. The ribs, the sternum and the intercostal muscle, they are also get relaxed. So they are again coming in their own positions. So at the time the air become exhaled. Air is your carbon dioxide. Okay. Now see here. Inspiration means breathe in, breathing. Expiration breathe out. One inspiration and one expiration is your one breath. एक बार ऑक्सीजन अंदर लेना और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ना, इस प्रोसेस को वन ब्रीथ कहते हैं. गेट इट? वेरी सिंपल है. सेकंड योर एक्सटर्नल रेस्पिरेशंस. हियर सेकंड इज योर एक्सटर्नल रेस्पिरेशंस एंड दिस इज ऑकर इन alveoli. How? Well, your alveoli consists of a membrane. that is squamous epithelium. That is squamous epithelium. The alveoli which are made up of the membrane, that is squamous epithelium, which are consist of your capillaries, your arteries and vein. As the vein are responsible for carrying impure blood, arteries carries pure blood. Sorry, yes, and these are your pulmonary capillaries. So all the alveoli consist of the dense network of this capillary, artery and vein. Get it? So alveoli, as I told you, alveoli is the most important organ which are responsible for exchange of gases O2 and CO2. जो exchange of gases हो रहा है alveoli के through हो रहा है. So diffusion of gases, how this takes place? So well, the carbon, what is given here? The partial pressure of carbon dioxide in alveoli is 40 mmHg and the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in alveolar blood it is 45 mmHg. So what is the difference? It diffuses the space between the alveoli and CO2. Same about the oxygen. So the oxygen pressure in pulmonary artery is 40 mmHg and the oxygen pressure in blood is 104 mm per Hg. So there is again difference. So they get the diffusion process in the alveoli. So this is given by books, but let me tell you in a clear manner for your understanding purpose. Suppose this is your alveoli. It is a balloon-like structure, as a wave-like structure. Okay. This is O2 and this is CO2. Okay. So here what happens? There are the presence of RBC. There are the presence of RBC. When the oxygen enters in the alveoli, simple. When the oxygen enters into the alveoli, the alveoli, अब यहाँ पे जैसे एक combination था, एक 40 mmHg है, एक 104 mmHg है. So when the oxygen enters into the lungs and into the alveoli, it comes with the RBC. It is directly going in the RBC, and at the same time, when the oxygen enters into the RBC, the carbon dioxide which are present in the alveoli, which are mixed with the alveoli and which are present outside your lungs. Simple. जब ऑक्सीजन अंदर आ रहा है तो वो अंदर आके आरबीसी से बाइंड करेगा ताकि जो ब्लड है फिल्टर हो जाएगा, जो ब्लड है पूरा ऑक्सीजनेटेड हो जाएगा, एंड जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है जो इम्प्योर है तो ये इसमें बाइंड हो गया तो एल्वेओली में मिक्स होकर बाहर चला जाएगा लंग्स के थ्रू. दिस इज द योर एक्चुअल गैसेस एक्सचेंज. हियर यू कैन सी द ब्लड फ्रॉम पल्मोनरी आर्टरी, योर कैपिलरी, योर alveolar membrane, your respiratory membrane, surface fluid are there, alveoli O2 and CO2. So the oxygen diffuses into the RBC and the carbon dioxide are removed from the oxygen from alveoli. Get it? बहुत सिंपल है, important है. This is asked in your examinations. So today we close the mechanism of respiration in two ways. The rest, the remaining is for internal and cellular. We see tomorrow. Till then, we close it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.